The science of kindness. Have you ever felt like the world is too big and you are too small to change it? We see the news, the conflict and the struggles, and we ask, does my kindness even matter? The ripple effects. Think of a silent lake. When you drop a single stone, the water doesn't just splash. It creates ripples. Those ripples travel far beyond where the stone hit the surface. This is the science of kindness. World example. When you help a stranger or speak a word of peace in a moment of anger, you are not just helping one person. You are changing their mood. They go home and treat their family better. Their children grow up with more love. That is how peace begins. The call to action. Peace doesn't start with government or treaties. It starts in your heart today. One smile, one kind word, one small act. I am your heart of humanity, and I believe in you. Let's create a ripple today. Subscribe to join our global mission for peace. Thank you very much. Live peace, live long.